Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today I'm going to be playing in my box challenge binder. All of these savings go towards funding my business expenses for next month, and I have $100 here to save in this box challenge. So this box challenge that we're doing today is by my friend Vicky over at Vicky Thinks. She did this magical savings box challenge, and it's Harry Potter themed, and it is fantastic. I am having so much fun saving with this. So let's go ahead and roll. We're gonna roll a D12 because this has 11 sections, and if we hit number 12, we'll just re-roll. Okay, section number 2. Let's roll and see which number we're going to be saving. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so $2. So I'm doing pretty good with my business expenses this month. I still have $113 of the 400 some dollars that I saved last month for this month's expenses. So I feel like we're doing pretty good. I had a lot of business expenses up front this month because I was finishing up my boo box. So it should slow down now in the last couple weeks here of the month and not be so crazy. 1 and 2. So this is section 5. We're saving some of these crystals here. So this one for $6. So hopefully the last half of the month won't be as expensive, but I am thankful that I saved what I did last month, and I'm not scrambling this month to find the money to like fund the business expenses, if that makes sense. Okay, so this is a wizard race. Let's roll 2 die and see if anyone's gonna get on the board. 5 and 3. Okay, so we have Dobby and Ron. We're gonna do purple for Dobby. And Ron is gonna get this blue. Ron might actually be my favorite character of the series. Maybe because I relate to him and his silly goofiness. And isn't it that like, okay, so Harry and Hermione and Ron, they're all in Gryffindor, but technically all of them should have been in a different house, right? But because they wanted Gryffindor and like that's what they were thinking in their head when the Sorting Hat told them, that's what they got put into. But Ron, I think, technically is a Hufflepuff, which, by the way, if you guessed last week or if you tried to guess what my house was, the answer is I'm a Hufflepuff. And I think only one person got it right, and that was Vicky from Vicky Thinks. So Ron, I think, naturally is a Hufflepuff, right? And Hermione is Ravenclaw, and Harry is technically Slytherin, but because they all wanted to be Gryffindor, they got put in Gryffindor. Am I showing like how nerdy I am about all this? I don't even like Harry Potter like that much, but like I feel like my sister and my brother and like everyone around me loves it. I mean, I do like it, but I'm just like, I have the knowledge just because it was imparted to me. You know what I mean? I didn't go looking for it. But anyways, okay, so we haven't played this, so I don't know what I'm doing here. Section 7, choose one and race. Oh, I was supposed to choose one. Well, I'm gonna go with Snape. Severus Snape. Okay. Roll a d6 and save the number on the dice. Okay, so we're saving a 3. If you win, save an additional $5. If you lose, save an additional 8. Okay, so 3 today for Voldemort. Also, I'm sure you guys know this. Maybe not. If you don't know, Voldemort is French for flight of death. I feel like I'm mansplaining things because I feel like who doesn't know that at this point? But maybe you didn't know that, and I'm teaching you something new today. If you already knew that, let me know in the comments. Or if you didn't know it, let me know in the comments that I taught you something new. All right, so we had a $10 IOU for this Shut the Box that I almost forgot about. So let's add that there so that we're all paid up. All right, and then let's see where we're going next. Challenge number 9. Okay, so this is a roll and save, and we're doing some math here. So we're gonna roll D6. Okay, 1 times 2 is 2. That was easy. Okay, let's see what section we're going to next. Section 2. Oh, okay. Let's roll again and see where we're going next. 1, 2, and 3. So the tree for $6. 5 and 6. All right. Our next section is section number 10. Oh, fun. Again, okay. The wizard race again. Let's see who else gets on the board. 1 and 1, Harry. You're a wizard, Harry. All right, so Harry's red here representing Gryffindor. So I am a Hufflepuff, and you know, I used to not be proud of that fact because it's a silly name. Like, why would they name it such a silly name? Hufflepuff, honestly. Embarrassing. But I like being a Hufflepuff. Hufflepuffs are loyal, and they're sweet, and they're friendly, and Luna is a Hufflepuff, and I love her. So honestly, I like it now. I like it. I just don't like the name because it sounds ridiculous. But where are my fellow Hufflepuffs at? Raise your hand in the comments. Hufflepuffs unite. Because honestly, who doesn't love a Hufflepuff? Like, who has ever had an issue with a Hufflepuff? Nobody. All right. 1 for section 3. That is a 6, so section 6. So what have you guys been up to this weekend? Anything fun, anything crazy, anything boring? Let me know in the comments what you're doing on this Saturday that feels like fall. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we're saving Dumbledore for $9. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I had a pretty good week at school this week. I don't know why I'm putting that back in. Hold on. Let me roll that again because my finger was in the way. Section 9. Okay. Oh, there it is. 4 plus 1 is 5. Awesome. Okay. I'm trying to think what happened, but like honestly, nothing really too crazy happened. Oh, we don't have a 12, so we're gonna roll again. Yeah, nothing too crazy happened. It was a normal week. On Tuesday, I felt like it should be Friday, so I was really, I don't know, mentally confused about the timing of everything. Like, it felt like some days were just dragging. So we rolled a 7. But other than that, it was pretty good. I had some good interactions with the students. We studied for our test a lot. I'm gonna do 5 and 2. They have an upcoming speaking test on Monday and Tuesday. 1, 2, 3. So we studied a lot for that. 7. Okay, let's do 6 and 1. 9. Okay, so we're left with 8 and 4 for 12. There we go. Let's see where we're going next. But yeah, I'm really enjoying teaching this year. I feel like it's been great to not be in school myself and be able to focus on making my lessons and doing all the things and just having more energy to be there for my students. It's been really great. 1, 2, 3. No, you cannot win. What are you doing, Snape? Section 8, is this shut the box again? Yes, it is. Okay, oof. Okay, well, we still have quite a decent amount of 5s. 10. Okay, right off the bat. I like it. Oh, that doesn't fit in there. That's funny. 9. 7 and 2. 3. 'No, I don't like rolling in that way. 10. 6 and 4. 8. Oh my goodness, you guys. We can drop down to 1 die now. 2. Okay, so we're saving 5. I thought we were going to shut the box for a second there. If we shut the box, we save an extra 30. Section 8 again. Okay. $12. So 9 and 3. 7. 7. 10. 5. Okay, so 8 and 1 for 9. I'm going to put this one back and grab 2 5s. There we go. All right, let's see where we're going next. Section 4. Oh my goodness, this is a hard one. Okay, so with this one, if we roll a 1 through a 3, we move to the next track. Otherwise, we move back. So we're right here. Okay, so we're moving backwards and we save $1 every time we move back. Okay, so we move back again. I mean, we can't really move. Oh my goodness. There we go. All right. There we go. Okay, now we're here. So we get $3. So I'm going to put these back and I'm going to get this 5 and I'm going to stop there for now. So we're still here. We made negative progress, which is sometimes how I feel like about paying off my debt. Actually, we didn't make negative progress. We just stayed the same. We just stayed the same. It all evened out in the end, but we didn't make any progress. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 for the sorting hat. Let's put this 1 back and grab this 5. This is our last 5, so we're coming to an end here. Let's see. No, we don't have a 12. 9. Challenge number 9 is this roll and save, so let's do that. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and 7. Challenge number 7. Okay, do you think we'll get one for Snape this time? No, dang it. Let's try again. 5, yes. All right, awesome. We have $1 here. So we have a $4 IOU. Okay, let me go through and we'll count up all of our savings. Okay, we didn't get any for section 1. Section 2, we saved 12 today, so we have 15. For section 3, we saved $1 today, so we have $4 total. In section 4, we saved $6, so we have 5, 10, 11, and 12. So Aria and I, it is Friday night when I'm filming this. Aria and I had a little movie night tonight. She wanted to watch Matilda, and we had popcorn and candy. So she is tuckered out. That's why I'm filming. Well, I didn't get a chance to film before she went to bed, so I'm filming in my dining room today. That's why it looks a little different. But for section 5, we got $6. She said that she was upset that she didn't get a treat tonight, and I was like, well, the candy that you ate for the movie night, that was the treat. That was your treat. I guess I don't know what else she wanted, but all right. So then this one saved 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, and then in this section we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and a $4 IOU. So I'll add this right here for next week. Then for our shut the box, we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26. So total we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. 44. All right, and then with this section, the math one, we have 5, 6. Man, this $1 bill gets me every time. I need to get rid of it. I need to just put it back in. Actually, let me trade it out because I'm going to take this money back to the bank. I'm going to swap it out because that one needs to go. Gots to go. All right, so section 9 has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, and then for our race, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, that looks right. Harry is winning. Of course he is. Honestly, Harry kind of gets on my nerves a little bit because he's such a goody two-shoes, you know what I mean? I'm like, be a little bit bad. Be a little, just like, be a little bit bad. You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Okay, anyways, that's it for our magical savings today and our business expenses for next month. If you are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, guys. Leave a comment down below, say hi. I would love to hear from you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.